Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Toyota 2000 GT and this is by Tomica and this is from their premium series. So if you remember, we unboxed Toyota 2000 GT by Majorette like I think few months back, which is over there. So I will be doing a comparison video soon. So let's unbox this one. Here it is. So there is nothing inside the box, if you are wondering. Okay, so here it is. So the initial impressions of this one, it's pretty solid and it looks really awesome. It looks clean and this looks really nice. Honestly, this looks better than Majorette's version. Even the wheels, it has unique set of wheels for this specific car, which I personally love about Tomica. The detailings are pretty great. And let's see, it has suspension. Yeah, it has suspension. So it has openable doors. So here it is. So this is the first Tomica which I'm having with openable doors. So I have few more which I bought along with this. So I will be unboxing those as well shortly. The interior details also, it looks really nice. Tomica really has a nice quality compared to Majorette, because few of the Majorette cars which I unboxed, it literally like crumbled in my hands. So tail lights are painted. And so if I'm not wrong, these are pop-up headlights which are just painted here, and this one here, it has some kind of fiber which I really like. Okay, so the wheels are actually made of plastic, this is not rubber. So let's do a roll test. Okay, that is not so great. So it has a lot of jerkiness, if you see. It is not smooth at all. But it is really a great piece. So if you are in India and if you are wondering where to buy this, I already mentioned a lot of times there is Tuni Wheels, which they are actually authorized dealer for Tomica. And Tiny Town, so you can go to these websites and buy this. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And one more thing I just wanted to inform you guys, so when you guys are asking me where to buy all these things, I'm just giving you a few websites. I'm not getting anything from those websites. It's just I'm buying from these websites for a very long time. So I just want everyone to have that. So I'm just informing you guys. That's it. So, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.